Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and we have some more Amazon Prime Day deals slash non-Prime Day deals that you can take advantage of because a lot of people just discount some of their products. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Now, again, like in my last Prime Day video, this first one is an example of what I did for the rest of the items that I found here. So here we have the Yamaha touch-sensitive key portable keyboard for beginners with music rest, power adapter, $208.99. It has a Prime Day deal moniker. Now, if you're like me, which I'm pretty sure you are, which is the reason I started making these videos, is I don't trust their percentage off. They can mark this up for a typical price in the last 90-day median price by customers. They can mark this up to game the system, and it can be $500 for the last couple days, and it will affect roughly some of the medium, or they can change the price 10 times in like 10 days, and it'll affect the statistics. Anyways, all that to say is you can't trust the percentage off here. But what helps you trust it, or at least verify it, is the price tracker, which I use Camel. No affiliation besides I'm trying to find a deal, and this is where I verify these deals. So here, you see a top right corner, $219. $219 shows the best price according to this tracker, $219, and it shows that over the last, let's say, 8 months, it has only been $299 with a weird dip just before July, but it's always been $299, and it's dropped as of July 8th down to $219.99. But as we just saw, it's down to $208.99 as a Prime deal. It is at its lowest price, as will most of the deals that we're about to go through. So this is what I do to verify, to actually make sure that these deals are deals. I'm not sponsored. I do have affiliate links, but I don't get free gifts. I don't get any of this stuff. I'm just trying to find the best deals for you the same way I would look for them for myself. Off my pedestal, we have a 4-post car lift, 9,000 pound capacity, bend, pack, ALI certification, 220 volt power unit. I didn't know if they sold these on Amazon, but this is the dream for any garage, assuming you have a garage, or assuming you have the space to even lift something in your garage, which I have a garage, but not anywhere close to lift anything like this. But bend pack, $54.95. Allegedly, it's like $3,000 off. I figured I'd put this on here as a dream list item. Next, Greenworks. A lot of these are claimed. These have been going on for the last day or two, but these are confirmed great deals. And I wanted to give this one as an example because I just purchased this, not on Amazon Prime, but I purchased it at Costco. Costco has a deal on this, very similar, $400, so a little bit more expensive than this. And it comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery, plus a fast charger. In this case, it comes with a fast charger and two 2 amp hour batteries, as it says here in the description. And then the Costco one comes with an extra blade, which I don't see that being the case here. Maybe it is, but I don't see it. Same 4-year warranty. I looked at Amazon. Obviously, this deal wasn't going on, but I do trust Costco, especially you're getting a little bit of a bigger battery, and you're getting, I would say, comparable to Harbor Freight, one of the best stores that do in-store returns. Hassle-free, I would say. I've seen people returning Christmas trees on the 26th. I've seen people returning Halloween costumes on the day after Halloween. I've seen people, well, anyways, you get my drift. Don't necessarily do that. I mean, and if you do, I mean, more power to you. But I'm just saying Costco has a great return policy, so that's why I went with Costco. But this isn't a bad deal. $337. It's cheaper than the $400. You're getting one less blade and one smaller battery. But I tried it out, and this thing is great. I don't have a big yard, so keep that in mind. But this thing is absolutely great. I replaced my engine mower that had kaput on me, and I decided to go electric. Anyways, great deal here. 82% claimed. More Greenworks 40V 20-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer, Prime Day deal, $113.99, allegedly 43% off. Greenworks 40V lawn care combo kit, trimmer, blower, edging, leaf cleanup, 2 amp hour battery plus charger, gas-free yard duo Prime Day deal, $120, 37% off. And then we have the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawnmower, ultralight push mower with 4 amp hour battery plus charger, And it has, of course, a lot of tool compatibility. $199.45, 33% off. And if you have a small yard, you don't need a self-propelled. A lot of the times when I'm cutting my lawn, even though I like using the self-propelled, a lot of the times I'm propelling it myself just because it makes sense as you're maneuvering the lawnmower around. Again, more likely for smaller yards. But here's a decent option if you do have a smaller yard. $199.45, 33% off. Greenworks 24V 6-inch brushless mini chainsaw, small cordless handheld saw, 2 amp hour battery and charger included. $89.96 Prime Day deal, 31% off. And this DEWALT 20-volt max cordless impact wrench, half impact gun, high torque with hog ring anvil, 2 tool only, 43% off in Prime Day deal. And this also was the best price that it's been on Amazon for this DEWALT XR brushless motor 20V. Pricey, but still a great deal on this DEWALT. Next, we might have covered this one yesterday, but say it again, Craftsman Mechanics Toolset. They have a few different sales. I'm not doubling up. I'm trying not to double up on any of the ones that I saw. All new ones. 1/4-inch drive, 20-piece, limited time deal, 51% off, $16.98. I believe this one is made in Taiwan. This is absolutely crazy for a high quality small little toolbox with some sockets and a relatively mini ratchet. $16.98. Great deal. Next, Craftsman 4-gallon 5-peak horsepower wet dry vac, portable shop vac, wet and dry with attachments. $94.98, 35% off. You could definitely do a lot worse than this. Get a no-name one, but $94. I mean, a little pricey, but that's about right for a 5 horsepower wet dry vac, 4-gallon. That's a steal of a deal. I'm gonna say it, steal of a deal. More DEWALT 20-volt max impact driver, 1/4-inch battery, charger included. 38% off, $99 even. Best price on Amazon. Also brushless with a BOSCH electric orbital sander, polisher, 7.5 amp corded, 6-inch disc size, dual mode, random orbit, and turbo. Prime Day deal. Ooh, 34% off is great, but $217.55. That thing better be amazing. But still, best price on Amazon, $217, a little bit steep. But again, best price on Amazon. More DEWALT mechanic tool set, 247-piece, 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, 1/2-inch drive, SAE ratchet, sockets, hex key combination wrenches, polished chrome finish. This is comparable to the Craftsman, which was on sale for a long time at $99. That one just went a little bit lower in my last video, but $99 for a DEWALT mechanics tool set, 247-piece. This is also a steal of a deal. Haven't gotten too much feedback about DEWALT, but I imagine they're super solid. DEWALT is obviously known for quality. $99, lowest price in 30 days. Then we have TEKTON 3/8-inch drive, 6-point universal joint impact socket set with case, 15-piece, lowest price in 30 days, 31% off, $113.60 for some TEKTON. Yeah, okay, you got my attention, TEKTON. Next, SOG Power Access to look all-around heavy-duty stainless steel multi-tool with nylon sheath, 2 knife blades, can and bottle opener, black. Prime Day deal, 19% off, $42.80. And we have Crescent Lufkin 25-foot workhorse night eye tape measure. I remember doing research. I wanted to buy a tape measure, a solid quality one. I must have done research for about 2 months. You know, those deep dives, rabbit holes that you get into when you're researching, if you're anything like me. I did that for about 2 months and I settled on, I won't say settled, I found Crescent Lufkin Night Eye 25-foot. It wasn't this specific one, but it's the best tape measure I've ever had. This is 39% off, $21.99. Steal of a deal on this one. If you need a high quality tape measure, this is one to get at such a crazy discount. $21 quality, you won't regret it. So, going a little bit away from tools, it's just a deal that I thought was excellent, hard to pass up. JBL Live wireless over-ear headphones with true adaptive noise canceling with smart ambient, up to 65 hours of battery life. I like JBL. I've gotten some JBL speakers. They've all been pretty solid. And here we have these over-ear headphones, 50% off for $99.95. Seemed like a good deal to share if you want to go with the oddball color of tan. It's even more discounted at $94.95, so even cheaper. I mean, I don't care about color, so this is even cheaper. It says only 37% off, but still excellent deal. And then we have this Razor Spark Ultra Kick scooters for kids ages 8 and up. Ultra bright. Always great to see deals on scooters. Razor, from my childhood, it was the original scooter, the Razor scooters. 36% off, $36.09. And then this thing, which I wish I could afford, the PNY GeForce RTX 5090 Epic X overclock triple fan. The 5090s, this is NVIDIA's graphics card, basically the Ferrari of graphics cards that are out right now. I think these were being sold on the aftermarket for $3,000-$4,000 easy, and they just started dropping in price. As it says, lowest price in 30 days. It's about $200-ish off, which is crazy to hear. But just so you know, from the news that I read, NVIDIA is going to be cutting back on the supplies of their gaming graphics cards because they don't want to saturate the market, because this happens. There's a lot of 5090s and other graphics cards, GeForce RTX cards that are sitting on the shelves, the 5080s, the 5070s, the 5060s, probably the 5050s, and they're all sitting on the shelf not selling. So if there's a lot more supply than demand, you guys know this, price is going to go down. So they're going to limit the amount of production that I think they're limiting it now. So here in the next few months, these prices won't go any lower, and they'll possibly go back up because they want to manufacture the demand. Anyways, probably a good time to buy these. Doesn't have to be this 5090, but just keep an eye out. Wanted to share that. And I will leave it at that. Any Amazon deals that you are eyeballing, if I see some more deals like this, I will definitely add them. Happy Amazon shopping, Amazon bros. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way. Making videos. Mm-hmm. You can go to Legoland.